Ukraine keeps on innovating with unmanned ground vehicles, especially with mine laying. Close to the front line could increase the risk of getting targeted by multiple different weapon systems. So sending drones or unmanned ground vehicles takes away the risk of losing men or more expensive equipment. Ukraine's ground vehicles has evolved over time from having a magazine of 2 mines each to up to 6. Now a drone could place a whole mine line by itself by dragging the mines which are connected, having 13 mines equally spaced out by a single ground drone, showing simple and good ideas working out in the field, using the resources they have to the best ability. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.